There have been moments in my life where I thought I might never be able to ride a motorcycle again and have these adventures.
Charley's come from one part of the world, I've come to the other part of the world, and we've met here in the middle, in the center of the Atlantic, to have an adventure. We didn't really know each other going into this, so there's a lot of unknowns.
I think this trip is unique because of its location, the volcanic part of this island, the environment that we're riding in.
So the older I get, the more it's about experiences, you know? Life is short, it's about getting out there.
Some of the greatest rides I've ever been on have been in the places I've never expected it to happen.
Man, what a crazy place this is.